Using Google Chrome browser on your mobile, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to pay proper attention to privacy and security setting you need to enable or you need to set right now on your Chrome browser in order to secure your Google Chrome browser when you are surfing internet. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on these three dots from the top corner right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on privacy and security right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Under privacy and security right here, first thing first, we need to consider third-party cookies, followed by do not track. So let's go ahead and work on third-party cookies right here. Open up your third-party cookies. A site you visit can embed content from other sites. For example, images, ads, and text. So what you want to do here is to click on here to block third-party cookies. When you block third-party cookies, this will prevent you from seeing unnecessary and irrelevant ads on your mobile across different websites. Go back. Next, go ahead and click on do not track requests. What you need to do right here is to make sure you turn on do not track requests. This simply means that whatever website you visit, other website will not be able to track you by getting your data based on what you have been doing so far across the web. This is one of the great privacy security you need to turn on your Chrome browser in mobile. Let's go back. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and click on save browsing right here. So if you're safe browsing, on getting to safe browsing, make sure you choose this option, enhance protections right here. Make sure this is turned on. Then go back. Lastly, make sure you enable this. Warn you if a password was compromised in a data breach. Click on it to enable it. Lastly, scroll down right here and make sure you click on always use secure connections. So click on that. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you turn on this button right here. Then the next thing you want to do, if you are the type that always use Chrome Incognito, go ahead and switch to this tab. This will prevent you from both insecure public and private websites. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.